Ever dreamt of exploring the world without leaving your couch? Well, buckle up, because today we're unlocking the incredible power of Google Maps Street View on your PC. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Google Maps. You'll see the familiar map interface. But the real magic happens with this little guy, the Pegman icon. He's usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, to activate Street View, simply click and drag that Pegman icon as you hover him over the map. You'll notice certain streets and areas will light up in a vibrant blue. These are the areas that have Street View imagery available. Find a street that interests you and drop Pegman right onto it. Instantly, bam, you're transported to that very location. As if you're standing right there on the street, you can look around by clicking and dragging your mouse in any direction. It's like having a 360-degree panoramic view of thousands of cities, towns, and even some natural wonders. See those white arrows on the ground? Clicking on them will allow you to virtually walk down the street, moving forward or back. And if you want to get a bird's eye view or check your surroundings, keep an eye on that mini-map in the bottom left. It shows your current location within the larger map. And you can even use it to jump to different streets. Planning a trip? Curious about your destination before you go? Street View is your ultimate reconnaissance tool. You can virtually explore neighborhoods, check out local businesses, and even scout out parking. Impressive, right? But it's not just about cities. Google has captured Street View imagery in incredible natural landscapes, national parks, and historical sites. You can hike virtual trails, gaze at awe-inspiring vistas, and experience some of the world's most amazing places, all from the comfort of your PC. So next time you're feeling wanderlust but can't hit the road, just fire up Google Maps Street View on your PC. Get ready for an immersive, informative, and absolutely free visual journey around the globe. Happy exploring!